I'm Jane.
And I'm Mary Kay.
Welcome to another episode of Naturally Nebraska.
We are living in unsteady times right now. This is uncharted territory for all of us. We know we're a little scared. We know we're all looking for a safe space to be. Jane and I want you to know we absolutely believe in social distancing right now, but we also want to tell you there is a safe space to be.
The problem with social distancing, if we spend all of that time inside, is that we can feel isolated. We'd like to recommend that you go outside for some social distancing. And even if you're the only person outside, I think what you'll find is a sense of peace, a sense of calm, and a sense of connectedness. Join us while we have a little peace on East Campus. Thanks for watching this episode of Naturally Nebraska.
You know, I keep hearing people say, I'm going to get outside when the sun shines, when it gets warmer. Well, we just spent some time outdoors on an overcast, gloomy day, and it was absolutely beautiful.
We hope you'll be safe this week and that you'll remember, nature's never canceled. See you next time.